Assalamu alaikum everyone, and yeah, hi, my name is Muhammad Shah and welcome to another episode of Toka Tech Unboxing. It's been a while since I made my last video, but I'm back with a lot of surprises. Right now I got here is the brand new HUAWEI Y7 Prime 2019 edition and a Huawei gift box. For all those wondering, no, this is not sent by Huawei. In fact, this is a present from a friend. The HUAWEI Y7 Prime is said to be the new budget king of the midis. Midis, is that even a word now? Yeah, moving on, there are some specs given on the box, such as the device has a 32GB ROM, a 3GB RAM, and it also supports dual SIM functionality. I know dual SIM might be rare in some of your countries, but it ain't an anomaly in our country. Well, let's just quickly unbox it using our infamous Toka. All we need are two sharp cuts and we're in. Straight out from the box we got a shiny device. Next up is the SIM card slot pin. Then there is your phone's transparent silicone cover, which I think comes standard in all Huawei phone devices. Then comes the user manual, a 3-pin power brick, a standard USB micro cable, and an earphone. That's all the box content there. Let's talk about the device now. The phone has a 6.26 inches IPS display with approximately 80% screen to body ratio. Screen is not the only thing that is big. The fingerprint magnet is in a league of its own. The device is available in 3 colors: Aurora Blue, Midnight Black, and Coral Red. This one being the Aurora Blue, which according to my perspective looks very elegant and exotic. Aside from the glossy look, the ambient shades also looks cool. It has a speaker and a USB micro port at the bottom side and power and volume rockers on the side. On the back it has a vertical dual camera, LED flashlight, and aside it is the fingerprint sensor. Let's boot up the phone now. I went on ahead and set up my phone. It's running EMUI 8.2, which is based on the Android Oreo. And guys, I need to point out this, the company have done a great job in assimilating and implementing designing techniques to change the ugly notch into a bearable impression. Next up is the fingerprint sensor. The size of the sensor is quite small, which makes it difficult to casually unlock the phone. You need to take your time to place your finger right on the sensor to unlock the phone, and the unlocking doesn't feel smooth enough. Next up are the cameras. 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel dual camera lenses on the rear capture great images, and a single 16 megapixel selfie camera on the front with HDR also shots great images. That's it for the phone unboxing. Let's find out what's in the other box. Let's quickly unbox it. Alright, we got some poetic stuff here. Dream it possible. I will run, I will climb, I will soar, I'm undefeated. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord, yeah, I believe it. The past is everything, don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams comes alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and will dream it possible. Who are we? Okay, that's nice. So we got a Type-C cable, a finger phone holder, and a cool travel bottle. Thank you friend if you're watching this for sending me such a pleasant gift. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to say something, hit the comment section, and if you want more of this video, consider subscribing and do share it with your friends so I can get a little bit of exposure. Alright then, until the next episode, Khuda Hafiz and yeah, bye.